So there's nothing like a little adversity to make for a great turkey hunt, and we sure had our fair share on this one.
What? Are you kidding me? 12 degrees? We're honing in on the birds. You know, we've got two different options now. We've got a good tip on a bird that's been in one field for the last 2 mornings, late in the morning. So things are looking great. I mean, we're talking, the weather's turning. I mean, it's been bitter cold, and it's supposed to get gradually warmer, which should be really nice. Lots of positive things going on right here on day 2. All right, some very good news tonight. We got in here. We thought the birds were going to be spooked out of here, but we had a strutter at 75 yards just to the west here a couple minutes ago. He moved off. Looks like he's going to roost just to the west. There's gobbles all around us. It's looking good, looking good. We've got a hen here at 20 yards. I just saw her fly down behind us about 10 minutes ago. Got him.
You know, all turkey hunts are memorable, and this one was no exception. It's going to be one I'm going to be talking about around a campfire for years to come. But there's still a lot of days left in the season, and I'm going to be getting after it till the very end.